If you're trying to find the best premium food scale, these 4 options stand out, but they're built for very different types of users. So let's rank them from number 4 to number 1, based on overall performance, features, and value. Coming in at number 4 is the Nicewell Food Scale 22 pounds Digital Kitchen Scale. This is a solid all-rounder with a high 22-pound capacity and accurate 1-gram measurements. It's great for cooking, baking, and even weight tracking, and the large platform makes it easy to use with bigger bowls. The tempered glass and stainless steel design also give it a premium look. But it stays fairly basic. There are no smart features, and nothing really sets it apart from other scales in this category. It's reliable, but not exceptional. At number 3 is the Greater Goods Digital Food Scale 10 kilograms per 22 pounds high capacity. This one is built specifically for bulk cooking. It still offers 1 gram precision, but what really makes it stand out is its ability to handle heavy loads without sacrificing accuracy. Features like the extended display and hold function make it much easier to use with large containers. However, it's not designed for fine precision tasks, so it's better suited for big recipes rather than detailed measurements. Taking the number 2 spot is the Atexity Smart Food Kitchen Scale with Nutritional Calculator. This scale goes beyond just weighing food, it helps you track your nutrition. With app connectivity, you can monitor calories, macros, and up to 19 nutrients, all backed by a massive food database. It's perfect for weight loss or fitness-focused users. The only downside is that you need the app to unlock its full potential, and the experience depends heavily on your phone. And finally, at number 1 is the OXO Good Grips 11-pound stainless steel kitchen scale with pull-out display. This scale doesn't try to be flashy, it just does everything right. The pull-out display solves one of the most common kitchen frustrations. The stainless steel build feels premium, and the large, easy-to-read screen makes everyday use effortless. It's accurate, durable, and incredibly user-friendly. While it doesn't have smart features, it nails the basics better than anything else on this list. So in summary, if you want something affordable and reliable, go for Nicewell. If you cook in bulk, Greater Goods is the better choice. If you care about nutrition tracking, Atexity is the smartest option. But if you want the best overall experience, the OXO scale takes the top spot. And that's it, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews like this.